Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY hair gel, and this is the end result, but I want to keep it 100% real with you guys. This hair gel, although it defines my curls, it actually has a few cons, but I'll explain in more detail once we get into the video the pros and cons of the hair gel. If you're watching this, please like, comment or subscribe. It means so much to me when you do, and it helps me to make more content as well. So let's get into the video, guys. This hair gel is 100% natural and we're going to be using okra to make it. Okra is full of minerals and nutrients which basically moisturize and can repair your hair, which is one of the pros of this hair gel. But I think if I was to make it again, I would just use it like probably as a hair mask, because one of the cons is that it actually doesn't last. So I'm just basically cutting off the ends of the okra. I'm just adding it into the pot. I'm just pressing down on the okra to squeeze out all of the gel. As you can see, it looks quite thick and gooey like hair gel. Once you have strained it all out, then we're going to add it into like an empty container. And then I'm going to place it into the fridge to let it cool before applying it to my hair. Now to talk about the cons of this hair gel. The hold didn't last too well and I wasn't too keen on the smell. Though it's not a bad smell, it just wasn't what I'm used to. The smell wasn't as good as my favourite gel, which is Kinky Curly Curling Custard, but I suppose it can only be expected as this gel is 100% natural. Although you could fragrance it with essential oils such as vanilla or orange. I basically just car washed my hair with this conditioner, then I applied this product whilst my hair was dripping wet. I was planning to film this, but my camera ran out of battery, so sorry guys. And this is a clip of me just to show you the consistency of the gel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you found this useful. I'll see you guys in the next upload, yeah?